to oppose that recommendation and that report from the committee. Mr. Speaker, and I must thank the side of the minority, because as we stand here, we have not been threatened with maandamano if we are to go either way. So I can say we are fine. Mr. Speaker, on this house, on the floor of this house, about 2 years ago, the senator for Siaya then, none other than James Orengo, said here on this floor that impeachment generally is a political process. Mr. Speaker, the question I'm asking the members of this house, are we going to be used to sanitize the politics of Siaya, Mr. Speaker? Mr. Speaker, when I look at this report, and I want to tell the members of this house who are saying about page 11, we do not know how they arrived on this, Mr. Speaker, but of course they signed on a report that was agreed by the majority. Just to say, yes, we agreed to what we said, nevertheless not talking about the number 6 and number 5, Mr. Speaker. But I want to ask myself, Mr. Speaker, when you say you're removing somebody from office because he said in public that a certain CS was forced to resign, Mr. Speaker, is that a threshold enough to remove somebody from office? How many times have we been lied to, Mr. Speaker, by leaders whom we respect from either side, Mr. Speaker? Mr. Speaker, on that issue of political process, I keep on asking, are we going to allow this house to be used to play politics of Siaya, Mr. Speaker? And that's why I oppose